from Home Job Success with Ali. I'm here today because I have this huge box. It's some water boots which is in it, size 8. And let me just show you real quickly. It's very heavy. You might have seen this on my page if you have gone on it. And it is a choker. I think I'm murdering the name right now. However, I have these boots that I need to ship out, right? I was going to go ahead and just put them in the one of the regular flat rate box and send it, but then I was thinking about it might be the customer would need to store it away in this box here because the box is very sturdy, and since I'm going to be shipping it, I would not need for it to be damaged or anything. Alright, so I'm going to be making a Franken box. I don't know how it's done, but I do have everything here that I'm going to be needing. I have my scale. Let me let you know the weight for this right now. Okay. It is 5.87. I don't know if you can see that. 5 pounds and 8.7 ounces. Alright, however, you know it's over the ounce, so that's not able to go flat rate. Alright, so we have to set it priority. I have my scissors and I have my good old eBay tape here. And then the cardboard boxes which I have, the shoe box is still not able to hold in that. So I have some other boxes here which I'm going to add. Butchered these boxes previously from some other stuff that I had ordered. So this is what I'm going to be using today to do my box. Alright, so let's go. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but however it turns out, I'm hoping it's going to be good. Alright, what I had learned from this, the cardboard, it already had this thing here, this flip, so I'll just go ahead and I'll use that. And then what I'm going to be doing, putting that up some more. And this, I learned it from Side Hustle Pro, from Chaz, where he said just use the scissors and just mark where you would want to do the fold, but do not go down too much for it to cut through the cardboard. Alright. I hope I'm going to be making you proud today, Chaz, because I do watch your channel, your YouTube channel. And I have learned a lot from Chaz and Krista. If you know them, guys, just go ahead and watch their YouTube channel. You'll be able to learn a lot from them. Alright, so that's one side down. That side is good. Probably I should have taken out the shoes from this, but alright. And then to get the next side, what I'll do, I'll just let this stand upright. I won't stand because if I do stand, I'll be falling out of the video, and I would not want to do that, although probably my head is out of the video already. However, I'm just gonna keep going. Guys, I don't know how to speed up the videos, so I won't be able to speed up this video for you, so just bear with me. When I'm uploading the video, I'll just upload it as it is, because as I said, I'm not a pro at this. Alright, good. Aha, looking good so far. Alright, so this is one part of the box, and then let me see which of these, because I do not want to damage too much of my cardboard, just in case I have to use it again. So I probably could work with this from here to here. Alright, so I realize I can cut from here to here, go down, and then I could just cut a little bit off that. Where's my scissors? Alright, so I'm just gonna freestyle this area here. Oh, I don't have to do that because I'm going to be taking that part off, and then I'm going to freestyle this little section that I'm going to be doing here now. Oh, my hand is actually straighter than I thought. Alright, this and here. I think I'm doing a pretty good job here thus far. Alright, what I was going to do, but then I heard I cannot do that. I was going to be doing one of the flattery box because I had actually marked it out and everything, and then I went in one of the Facebook groups. Probably you're not hearing me because of the scissors. I'm sorry. I went in one of the Facebook groups, and then I learned that you cannot resize the flat rate boxes because it was able to hold in one of the I think it was the medium flat rate box. It was able to hold in that. However, when I went in the Facebook group just to verify, I got to understand that it cannot be done like that. Great. I'm looking good so far. Okay, now to get to the meat of the matter, what I have to do now, I will have to cut the sides. So when I'm going to be folding it, it will be okay. Alright. And then just cut all four sides. Alright. I think I'm doing a good job here. I think. And I hope you're able to learn from this as well. Just the same way I learned from someone. Because that's the good thing about it. Someone does this, put it up, and then you're able to learn from it. Alright? So, yeah. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Alright. Guess what I did not do? The section to fold the box. Alright, so where I'm going to fold it, where's my scissors? Alright. So since I'm going to be folding it inside, I'm going to need to mark this. So, right, perfect. And then I'm going to need to do this side as well. Yeah. Alright, so that's good there. And then when I do this now, I'm not supposed to have any problems with it folding on the inside. So I did that for that, so I'm going to now need to do it for these here. Oh, I didn't cut this part here. Let me cut this down a bit. Then I can use this as my measurement because remember, it's the same. Alright, good. Alright, so what I'm going to do, because I'm not a professional at this, I we'll want to tape this on that and that on that. Good? Coming together, right? Alright. So, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm feeling pretty good, pretty excited about this. Alright, I do not have one of those tape guns, so I'm just going to put a little bit of tape right here just to hold this in place. I'm not going to put it for it to ruin the shoebox because probably this person is going to want to use the shoebox. Alright, cool, that's that. And then I'm going to put another piece to the side there. It's looking good. And I'm getting all excited because this is the first time I'm actually doing one of these boxes. And also I should let you know, I checked it out already, how much it would be to ship the box when I do it like this, because I'm sending it priority and it is by calculated. I calculated the shipping. I'll make sure that it's nice. Don't worry, I'm just tucking it like that with the tape, just so it doesn't move. And then after, I'm going to do all the major taping. So this is just to secure it. Because I'm going to go around it with the tape and all of those good old stuff. But this, I'm just doing this to secure right there, and I'm going as fast as possible because I'm not gonna know how to edit these videos and take out all of these long stops. And my husband is not here to do this for me, so I've got to try. Alright, cool. Now this is looking good. This is looking good. Alright, cool. Alright, perfect. Alright. I'm just folding this so I'm able to seal one section of the box. Oh, what I realized is that it's too long here, so I will have to bear with me. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Alright, so this one did not cut as how I would have wanted it to cut, so I'll have to trim off some of this so the box is able to close properly. I'm just trying to close one section of the box. I hope I'm not boring all to death. I'm trying. Alright, there you go, good girl. Yes. So, because this is my box that I'm making, I want to make sure that I secure my box. So and these bad boys, they can really hold stuff. This eBay tape here, I see persons complain about them that they are not sturdy, they don't hold, but I don't have a problem with it. Alright, so, and again, I have a little bit too much hanging over here, so I'm just gonna cut this section here off. Alright, good. And as I said before, I'm just fastening the box just for video purpose, just so I can go faster, so you guys can see that it's easy and you can do it, and this way you save money. Because when I check it out to actually ship it, otherwise it would have been a lot. And this I'm going to only be, when I do it through eBay to get the discount, I'm only paying $14 to ship this. Yeah, only $14. Alright, so holding these bad boys. Yep. Ooh, I feel good. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, what I'm going to be doing, that's gonna be running the tape here. As I said before, I just need to get here fastened, since I'm the one who made the box and it's not as strong. All those other boxes, so I just want to make sure I do that. It's good? Yep. And then I'll fold over this one. This now, I'll do it from here. Can you tell I'm dying? Yeah, I made it. Whew. Yep. Alright, so now that I've done that, and I have my box, see? Easy. And I didn't buy any. See, guys? Alright, so now I think the video might be going longer than I had expected. What I'm going to do now is just to fasten the box some more, because remember I told you this is my box. I made it, so I want to make sure it is very sturdy. I don't care how many tapes that I'm using. I just want to make sure that my customer gets her item great condition. Alright. And that she's happy when she gets it. And then I can get a happy comment. Yeah. You know how that part is. We want to make sure that we please our customers, so they can leave us all those positive feedbacks on eBay. You're not able to see this part, but I'm just doing the same thing as I did on the previous side. Alright? Right. So that's perfect. Alright, now